Left side, incomplete records. This is a compliance risk. Right side, complete digital records with full traceability and validation.